This video is going to discuss configuring the backtest parameters in our Algo-Finder brute force backtesting engine. We start off in the Algo-Finder, previously called the backtest optimization engine. I am using a pre-existing test sequence, and I am going to skip over to the backtest configuration tab. For details on these other tabs, see our other relevant explainer videos. Our brute force backtesting engine can test all of your algorithm configuration combinations in one scope of dates, and then test the successful algorithms against a longer or different timeframe. We also provide the ability to specify a third scope, and take the passing results from the second scope and run them through one more timeframe. This approach enables analysts to test against specific market scenarios, or scale test length to speed up testing millions of combinations. A minimum of one range must be specified. To pinpoint your analytics and speed up your initial survey testing, you can actually test by the hour. Here I am choosing to test hours 9 through 12, 20 and 22, all times are in UTC. Because I am only testing 5 hours, the test will be nearly 5 times faster than a full day test, which can add up when testing millions of combinations. I can specify a longer range to test to include the previous range. But now I need to identify what is the criteria for an algorithm to pass each set of tests and move forward to be tested on the next test range. I must choose which tracking interval performance data I want to use. To learn more about the post-performance reporting, tracking intervals, or TIs, see our algorithm and reporting explainer videos. Now I can require that any algorithm must have a 70% or higher reliability in order to make it to the next test scope, and I can require that the algorithm produces at minimum of a 1% gain for each flag. If the algorithm doesn't produce a result that is at least 70% reliable, and with 1% gains for each flag, it will not be tested against the next scope of dates. We can also click to filter empty results. These are algorithms that didn't send a single flag for the scope tested. We also include a dedupe function that performs best effort deduplication. Again, empty results and duplicate results would not be tested in subsequent scopes if these checkboxes are checked. Below this interface we have downloadable backups of previous back test results, and we have the ability to browse our own local library, a public library, or another peer's library. This functionality is covered in the explainer video for the collaborative analytics interface. In the bottom right we can save the template for this brute force back test, so that we can easily spin up a new Algo-Finder using all the same configurations. We can load one of our old templates, browse the public library, or browse a peer's libraries of templates. Watch some of our other explainer videos to learn more about how the platform works.